I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and won't power down mid-change. Open Settings, then choose Display and Brightness. This is where brightness lives. Tap Auto Brightness to disable it if you want precise manual control. You do this because auto brightness adapts to light and can override your adjustments. Once done, use the slider near the top to set a baseline level that feels comfortable. Make moderate changes, then observe how the screen responds in normal use. Now focus on the middle steps. Drag the brightness slider slowly to find a steady, non-fatiguing level. Make small adjustments because perceived brightness changes quickly. You want a balance between visibility and battery life. Next, enable Night Shift in the same menu to lower blue light at night. Schedule it or set it manually. Also check True Tone. It adjusts color temperature and can make the display seem warmer or dimmer, so toggle it to see which setting you prefer. Finish by testing the screen across lighting conditions. Indoors, outdoors, and in low light, this verifies your choices. If the slider is unresponsive or the changes don't apply, restart the iPhone first. That resolves many temporary glitches. Make sure iOS is up to date, and if problems persist, reset display settings or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: if automatic dimming continues, check for battery saver or low power mode, because those features reduce brightness to save battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.